It's located 145 kilometers from the capital city in the Sololá department, specifically Santa Lucia Utatlan. At only 2 hours from the capital city, its main route is Highway CA-1 West. So, in the place, you can taste local cuisine and enjoy the hot steam bathhouse. It is located in a natural forest of coniferous or mountain forest, area 35 hectares. Corazón del Bosque is a community tourism destination managed by indigenous Mayan Quiche. It is an interesting place for bird watching, especially El Chipe Cabeza Rosada. It is regional endemic species. It is an excellent place for rest, recreation and relaxations, activities that can be performed, hiking trailers, durations 2 hours, bird watching, Temazcal steam bath home. Recommendations: bring cold weather, clothing and comfortable walking shoes, and swimwear for the bathhouse. Schedule Monday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Telephone number 77 23 41 40.